Welcome to Dr. Josefina's Way. I am Dr. Josefina Monasterio, fitness expert, weight loss and success coach. One of my ways to feel happy, to feel healthy, to feel terrific and looking my best at any age is by exercising every single day. Well, in today's segment, I'm going to show you my favorite shoulder workout, and for that I have a very special guest. Her name is Mickey Wallbaker. Mickey, please come join me. Hi, baby. Mwah. Mommy, I'm introducing you to my fabulous viewers, internet viewers, Healthy Power TV. Hi, this is Mickey, and you are certified
by the National Academy of Sports Medicine, and I'm a licensed massage therapist, and I've been in fitness for 30 years.
And when we work out, we do mega workouts. We don't do mini.
No, they're power.
Okay, Mickey, so today we're going to do the shoulders. So how are we going to start?
We're going to start showing beginner, go to an intermediate, and advanced stages starting with resistance bands. You can take them anywhere. You don't have to go to a gym. They're very inexpensive. They usually range in colors. Depending on the thickness is, the intensity of the workout. The thicker band, the harder the workout.
Yeah, and one of the things is that before you start any program, any workout program, anything like that, you check with your doctor.
Absolutely.
Making sure that you're okay, because we want to get you in the best shape of your life, right, baby?
Absolutely. Anyone suffering from cervical spine issues, which is relating to the neck, rotator cuff issues, absolutely check with your physician before starting any of these exercises.
Excellent. So are we going to start with the bands first?
We are going to start with the bands first.
So which color are you giving me?
Since you are a powerhouse, we got the mega band
for Mega Mama.
And I will demonstrate with the lighter band.
Okay, so she's getting her band, and this is great because this shows you that there is no excuses for no exercising and working out those shoulders.
Absolutely.
Okay, baby. So how are we gonna do it?
We're gonna start off with both feet in the
band.
Both feet in the band. Now, if you want less resistance, you certainly can just drop down to one foot, but we want to get the most out of it.
Okay, so this is harder. You're making me do it harder, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, I love you for that.
Your feet are shoulder width apart.
Okay.
You want to make sure that your abdominals are contracted.
Yes.
You're utilizing those deep intrinsic core muscles. And we're going to start with an overhead press.
Okay.
Which is working the trapezius. The band is behind your arms.
Facing like that.
Okay. And we control movement up and control the movement down. Nice and easy. Back up. And for beginners, you want to just start basically with one set, maybe anywhere from 8 to 12 repetitions. If you're getting to the point where you're doing up to 15 pretty easily, then you need to step it up a notch, and you're definitely ready to go up another set or go into a heavier band.
Okay, Mickey. So anybody can do this one, right?
Providing they have no physical limitations.
Okay, so we can do 4 sets of 16, 17, how many?
You really want to keep it right around 15.
Okay.
Anywhere from 8 to 15 reps.
Now, when I'm working out with you, I love for you to teach me. What muscle am I using? Okay. You can drop your band and show me my muscle that I'm using.
We are working on the trapezius.
So this is what I want you to see.
And the medial deltoid.
Okay.
So up here, ranging here.
And this is phenomenal. I'm already sweating. So those are the muscles you are working.
Absolutely.
Perfect. Now, what is the next muscle group?
Okay.
Oh, for the shoulders.
Now again, still using the bands, we are going to do a lateral raise. The elbow stays soft because it's kind of like a stick. If you hold out a stick and grab the end, you're going to have a point where it's weak, which that would be your elbow joint. So you want to make sure that those elbows are slightly bent.
Okay.
And we're going to come out again.
Okay, you can pick yours. I want you to do it with me.
Okay, all right.
Don't leave me alone.
All right.
Okay.
So I'm going to back up.
I can go like this, okay.
Okay, and again, if you want more resistance, double step on
I don't want more resistance.
Okay, here we go. We're going to, ready? Up.
Okay.
And you don't really have to go higher than shoulder level.
Okay, so I went too high.
A little bit. You want to stay parallel to your shoulder joint. Control,
Awesome.
abs nice and tight. Bring it back up. Beautiful. And you're like a walking anatomy book. You can really see your muscles. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Right
Well,
there.
I have good coaches.
And then back down.
So again, we can do, everybody can do 4 sets of 15.
That is an advanced. Beginners again want to stay with 1 to 2 sets. Intermediate participants anywhere from 2 to 3 sets. If you're into bodybuilding, such as you are, then you can go up into 4 sets.
Perfect. Okay, so that was what? Okay, what muscle were we using?
Now we're being a little more specific. We're working the medial deltoid right here.
Perfect.
Right there.
And Mickey, come here closer to me. Now, I'm always emphasizing the power of exercising.
Absolutely.
Can you tell my viewers one of the benefits, or 3 or 4 benefits of exercising your muscle, building your muscles, you know, making those muscles powerful and strong?
Well,
I'm so excited.
First and foremost, you're going to increase your metabolic rate. And what that means is, while you're sitting at rest, you're actually burning calories at a higher rate.
Yes.
And not only do your muscles get stronger, the bones, tendons, and ligaments also get stronger. So you get bone healthy, joint healthy. Your whole body is supported by strength training.
Yes, and also it slows down the aging process.
Absolutely.
I have to say that because that's my way, or one of my secrets. It really gives you power, it gives you energy. Improve your sex life, isn't it? Yes! You know, because you feel better, you feel more confident, you feel awesome. I mean,
And
this is, go ahead.
More stamina.
Stamina. Okay. See, that's power. What else? Okay, so another reason why you should exercise, besides that you're looking good, what it does inside you. You know, your lungs, your heart. Go ahead.
Absolutely. Well, your heart is a muscle as well.
Yes.
And you have to exercise it. And in order, you know, it actually can become bigger. It becomes a more efficient pump. It gets blood to the body faster and stronger.
Yeah, and Mickey, that's a big, people might be thinking, well, what a big deal. You know what, it is a big deal because when your lungs and your heart is working more efficiently, you have more energy. How do you think we get the energy? Because we work out all the time,
yes,
right?
That's
yes.
Right. It gets oxygen to all
to
the
cells.
Tissues. Absolutely. Lungs, internal organs, everything. You need the oxygen.
And then you practice like I do with my clients. You immediately, one of the best immediate results that we see with people is that their blood pressure goes down, their cholesterol goes down. They start, go ahead, you have something to say.
They start reducing the amount of medications that they take, which is wonderful.
Yes.
Because with any medication, there's also side effects.
Exactly. So one of the benefit of exercising is endless. From slowing down your aging process, having more sex, better quality of life. People are laughing here. So, okay, now another exercise for the shoulders.
Okay.
Baby, I got my thing with the sex.
We were talking all about sex. It got me discombobulated. I couldn't think straight. Okay, we're going to go with anterior
This is what happened when we're working out. We're just laughing all the time.
She makes me crazy. It's like, what? What was that? Sex? Okay.
Okay.
Anterior down.
Okay.
And you can do
okay,
this
which
2
one is that
different ways.
one?
You can do it single arm.
Okay. I love this.
Or you can do
both
at the same time. Again, it's not necessary to go above shoulder level.
Okay. Why do I have a tendency to go?
Because you do everything in extreme.
You hear her? Because I like to excel, right?
Extreme. And again, if you come up again, you can get some shoulder impingement. So you really want to focus on
I'm serious
keeping it shoulder level.
Yeah, you want to prevent illnesses. I mean, injuries.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so we don't want you to get injured. We want you to exercise with us, but nicely.
Yes.
So you follow her and you just listen to me. Yeah. Okay, next one.
Okay.
So this one, Mickey, here.
Yep, the single arm. Again, try and stay parallel to shoulder.
Okay, what muscle is that?
Anterior deltoid. So
which is?
Front part of your shoulder, right here.
Okay, pointed in this one here.
right there.
Okay, so that.
You want to make sure that the arm is a little more straight out in front, straight from the chest. Going to turn your trunk this way. Beautiful. Right there.
Oh, wow, yeah. Awesome. See?
Once you start bringing it out to the side again, what's going to happen is you're going to start working on that medial delt.
Yes.
Take the stress away from the anterior delt.
Okay. Another exercise for fabulous shoulders. This is the workout for fabulous shoulders.
Okay, now we're going to cross the band over.
Okay, cross.
You can even use, soup cans, if you don't even have tubing. So we're going to cross the bands over. I'm getting a little space here. You're going to bend at the trunk. And again, you're going to raise up, bonk, right there.
Tummy in.
Tummy in. Always try.
And you told me my back has to be like a table, flat?
Yes. Tip your chin forward just a little bit for me, please. Down.
That way?
Down.
That way.
There we go. That's it. So now we are working posterior deltoid. And you'll see, different variations of this. Again, little slight bend in the elbow because we don't want this to be injured.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so again?
Okay.
Okay.
So you're bending at the trunk, chin is tilted down, and you come up. Slight bend in the elbows, bring it back in.
Right here?
Well, you want to keep a little bit of tension on that. So we're up.
Oh, I see, because I'm standing in one foot.
Yeah, we got to get you off the one foot. You're strong.
Yes,
you're
okay.
a mega house. Okay. All right, there you go. Chin tilted down, just slightly for me, please. A little more bend at the elbow. Right there. And back down. Bring it back up.
Wow.
Slight bend in the elbow. There you go. And back down. That's it. Beautiful. Right there.
Awesome.
Okay.
Wow.
Those are the three primary movers of the shoulder joint with the bands. And again, you can use soup cans. You don't have to use any weight at all. Even just going through the movement, the muscles are contracting, the muscles are working.
Okay, so we have, I love free weights. What is the benefit? Okay, if you have to take a difference between free weight and the band, is anything that we can say?
The difference is with bands you can get a positive and negative, what they call positive and negative resistance. With dumbbells or free weights, you're working more independently with one side and the other, so you need to develop, it helps you kind of develop the strength equally between one side and the opposite side.
Perfect. So, okay, we're going to show you now free weights, Mickey. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So we're going to do?
We're going to do overhead presses just like we demonstrated with the bands.
Okay.
And again, good, nice and controlled, right there, back up, and we're working the traps and medial deltoid.
And these ones, how many? For beginners will be how many?
For beginners, you're doing anywhere from 8 to 15, working only 1 to 2 sets. For intermediates, you want to do 2 to 3 sets, anywhere from 8 to 15, and of course the powerhouses, 4 sets is fine.
Now, tell me a little bit about the benefits of work for women, because I'm really pushy with women doing lifting weight. So tell me one benefit for women to to work out their shoulder and able to lift and push, lift and push.
Well, we'll go into a safety aspect of it. Let's say you trip and fall and you hurt your ankle, you hurt your knee. You need your upper body strength to help lift you up from, from the ground or getting on a boat. If you fall off a boat, using that as an example, it's all shoulder, upper body work. From a more physical standpoint, it helps keep you in the tank tops and the sexy little strapless dresses. It gives you shape to your muscles, definition, looks good in little black dresses.
And one of the things that I notice sometimes with some of my clients, and you probably see the same thing, that they can't even lift a little 5-pound weight, which is very scary, because what you're doing, you're damaging your bones. Then you get, your bones get, go ahead, you have something to say. I know her.
She does know me so
years.
well.
Yes, go ahead. But talking about the bones, especially for women.
Osteoporosis.
Yes.
It prevents osteoporosis. As I was saying earlier, bones, tendons, ligaments, muscles, everything gets thicker and stronger. It's an overall body benefit. Your metabolism goes up, you reshape the muscles, you look better in clothing, they fit you better, heart works better, a more efficient pump, the lungs are able to get oxygen to the blood, and it's circulated a lot faster.
Yeah, and then in the outside, it gives you self-confidence. You feel your self-esteem increases. Your emotional life becomes more confident and secure. You are able to do the thing that you want to do. You give your family the gift of vitality and energy because they see you taking care of yourself and feeling powerful and strong. Isn't that the truth, Mickey?
Absolutely.
I know that for my daughters, it's phenomenal because they see me, and when they call me, Mom, I'm coming out from the gym, I'm working out. The same thing with your kids.
Absolutely.
Because they see that at home. Okay, so another workout, a shoulder workout.
Okay.
Exercise workout. No, exercise.
Exercise.
I'm too excited. This is the way we are.
Exercise for the shoulder.
Yes.
And again, now these might be a little heavy. You can do the same thing again.
What about here?
You can demonstrate that we did with the bands.
Yes.
You can do exactly the same thing with dumbbells. This is a fixed weight machine. It's a hammer strength, and Josefina?
Okay, let me go here.
This is also an overhead press. Again, we're working with the trapezius and the medial deltoid.
So Mickey, this is another choice, another alternative. So if people can go to the gym and they use the machine, this is one of the machines they can use.
Absolutely, and there's all different variations of this exact same machine. They're all geared to specifically work the whole shoulder though.
The whole shoulder, okay.
Okay. Always make sure that you're nice and flat against the pad. You never lean forward because that can cause cervical problems. As you come down nice and slow. You're going to stop right there and then press up. Full range of motion right there.
Nice.
And again, another nice thing about the machines is if you have the proper seating adjustment, which you would want to check with, most fitness facilities will have people there to help set you up on a program, get all your seating adjustments, because those are the most important things that you need. Once you have the seating adjustment, and as long as you don't have any physical limitations,
yes,
it's really pretty difficult to hurt yourself. It puts you in nice, good form. Where with dumbbells, you really have to be form specific.
Exactly.
Because one little wrong move and you can tear a rotator cuff or have an injury.
And sometimes, Mickey, we do one at a time.
Yep, that's bilateral work.
Yeah.
Because we always will be one side dominant.
Yes.
And we try and balance it out a little bit.
Yes. And it feels good because sometimes it's like a little change. Sometimes people stop exercising because they get bored. Exactly. Not us, but because we're always making up, inventing. Awesome.
You should actually change your exercise program about every 8 to 12 weeks to prevent the body from going through what's called specificity of exercise, where you reach a certain level of fitness and you kind of stay at that point. You need to change it up, whether that is increasing your weights, going to ascending or descending repetitions. There's so many different ways to work out different body parts.
Well, Mickey, I really want to thank you for this fabulous.
It's been great.
It's always a fabulous workout with us. And stay tuned, tell your friends about Dr. Josefina's Way, email me, send me your picture, tell me how many pounds you want to lose. Mickey and I can coach you through the internet, through Healthy Power TV, to get you in the best shape of your life. So send your pictures, or send your body parts that you want to improve, and we will have the workout for you. I promise you, every single email, I will reply to that personally. Right, Mickey?
Absolutely.
So, baby, tell everybody about Dr. Josefina's Way. We're going to take a break, and we'll be right back. Welcome to our empowerment lesson, and you know that exercise is good for you. Well, my question is, do you know how good? Regular physical activity can improve your mood, improve your sex life, you feel better, you have more energy, and it can slow down the aging process, and perhaps you can live longer. Number 2, exercise improves your mood, and your mood to me is your emotional body, And what happens is when you exercise, your brain produces chemical which is called the endorphin, the happy hormones, and you feel better about yourself, you look better, your confidence increases, you improve your self-esteem. The second, another portion of the benefit of exercising is that it helps you to prevent chronic illness. For instance, it can help you to prevent or manage your high blood pressure. Your cholesterol will benefit from exercising. It will help you to prevent type 2 diabetes. It can prevent certain type of cancer. Number 3, exercise can help you to manage your weight. For instance, when you exercise on a regular basis, you engage in physical activity and you are burning calories. The more intense the activity, the more calories you burn, and the easier it will be for you to keep your weight under control. Number 4, exercise can boost your energy level because it brings oxygen and nutrients to your tissues, and your heart and your cardiovascular system starts working more efficiently. Big deal? Yes, it is a big deal, because when your heart and your lungs work more efficiently, you will have more energy to do the things that you enjoy doing. Number 5, exercise promotes better sleeping. A good night of sleep can improve your concentration, your productivity, and you feel better, you have more clarity, and there is the only thing that you have to take into consideration when you exercise later in the day, that you might have a hard time falling asleep because you have too much energy. So find out when it works for you, when is the best time for you to exercise. Another wonderful benefit of exercising is that exercise can put that spark back into your sex life, because regular physical activity can leave you feeling energized, looking better, which have a positive effect on your sex life. Number 7, exercise can be and should be fun. Find and do the activities that you enjoy doing. What counts is that you keep on moving. Start enjoying the benefit of exercises today. Send me your pictures, send me your questions, send me your email, and we will help you to get in the best shape of your life. Now, the benefit of exercise is that it's very hard to ignore this wonderful benefit. And the greatest thing is that you can start enjoying them regardless of your age, regardless of your physical activity, regardless of how old you are, regardless of whatever. Don't use excuses for your exercise. Start benefiting from exercising today, right now. So send me email, send me everything that any question that you have, I will reply back to you. Thank you for tuning in. Keep watching Healthy Power TV. We love you. Mwah! I am Dr. Josefina Monasterio with Healthy Power TV.
And I'm Laura Guttridge. Dr. Josefina, next week, what's the topic?
Well, my expertise is going to be changed at any age.
Oh, gotta love that one.
And you know, part of my thing in life is to slow down the aging process. So you make sure to watch that show, because no matter how old you are, it's good to start now slowing down that process. Of course, we're going to have the affirmation of the week, our happy and healthy lifestyle, our empowerment lesson. The fabulous Laura Guttridge will be co-hosting with me next week. So make sure.
And I'm looking forward to this one because, you know, 50 is right around the corner for me.
Oh, yeah!
So I have to start figuring out how to put the brakes on this aging process.
Well,
I'm like, 50, what?
You got a master sitting next to you. So baby, make sure to watch the show next week, because we're going to talk about how to stay nice, strong, and healthy, and slowing down that aging process, right?
Right.
Okay, stay tuned.